Hello YouTube, welcome to Unbox with Trinh, and today we are going to unbox EnerPlex QuickCharge 2000 power bank. And this is a simple power bank for your cell phone or portable electronic devices. And this charges your phone anywhere. So let's check a look around the box since this is an unboxing video. On this side, we get a QuickCharge power bank, EnerPlex. On this side, we get the same thing. And here's the bottom of the box. Here is the UPC code if you want to look this up. And this cost me $5. So moving forward, let's check a look at the back of the box. The specs: EnerPlex always on. Power up your devices such as your phone, camera, music, gaming devices, and your GPS. The QuickCharge 2000 power bank. It has a 2000 milliamp capacity. It has a USB output, and this offers up to 7 hours of talk time. So 7 hours of charge. Here's the weight. 2000 milliamps. Here's the input, output, and the capacity. So we are here to help. Warranty information is available at greenerplex.com, and this product was made in China. So if you want to pause the video, here it is if you want to read it again. But let's move forward to the unboxing. So I got my unboxing knife. I'm going to go to the top. And be careful with these knives because they are sharp. Ooh, goodness. Went through the box. So anyway, here it is. Once you open up the box, we have a a piece of paper. Do not return to retail store. Here's your warranty card. Warranty replacement card. So pause the video if you want to read the full details. Nothing on the back. And let's pull out the QuickCharge. So nothing in the box. And it comes with a small USB cable, which is pretty nice, but I don't think this is long enough. And I have my own USB cable, so we'll be using this instead. But keep this just in case. So we have our QuickCharge power bank portable QuickCharge 2000 power bank portable charger user manual. Just a piece of paper, nothing complex. Read the information if you want. Just pause the video. And nothing on the back side. So moving forward is pretty simple. Power bank. Here's a look at the power bank. A close look at the power bank. I have a power bank engraved in the device. QuickCharge branding. And it comes with a keychain. This is pretty cool when it comes with a keychain, so you don't have to put it somewhere else, but this can stay with your keys. So pretty cool right there. And here's your USB output, USB input, and this is where you are going to charge your power bank, and this is where you're going to charge your electronic devices such as your phone with your USB output. So with that being said, let's demonstrate. I have my phone here. I think this is charged, but let's hope it has some juice in it, in the power bank. I'm not getting some charge, so just hold on a second. Well, I'm going to charge this up to see if this works. So right now I'm charging my QuickCharge power bank, and all you have to do is use a USB cable, put it in the input, USB in, and all you have to do is connect to the USB out, and it does work. So as this vibrates, you can see it's charging. Let me focus that in for you. We have a 74% with a charging symbol. Alright, so that's gonna be about it. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment on what you think about this portable QuickCharge power bank. And thank you for watching Unbox with Trinh, and I'll see you on the next video.